Hey everyone, welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been on the hunt for a reliable, long-lasting eyebrow pencil, this one might just catch your attention. Today I'm reviewing the Smashbox Brow Tech Matte Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Brunette, a product that promises waterproof, smudge-proof, and long-lasting results. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. So first off, this pencil comes in a convenient, slim design with a built-in spoolie brush at the other end. The pencil itself is designed for precision, with a matte finish that's perfect for creating natural, defined brows. And of course, it's cruelty-free, which is a huge plus for those who are conscious of ethical beauty choices. The formula is what Smashbox claims to be sweat, humidity, and smudge resistant, making it ideal for long days or hot weather. When I first tried it, I was a bit skeptical about the waterproof claim, but I can tell you, after several hours of wear, and even a little sweat, yes, it was a particularly hot day, my brows stayed perfectly in place. No fading, no smudging, and definitely no need for touch-ups. The color Brunette was a good match for my medium brown brows, offering a natural yet defined look that wasn't too harsh or overly bold. Now the real test was how it felt during application. The pencil glides smoothly without dragging, which is a major plus for anyone who's used other eyebrow pencils that tug or feel waxy. The matte texture is fantastic for a more realistic brow effect, as it mimics the natural hairs without giving that overly glossy or fake appearance. The spoolie brush at the other end is a nice touch, helping to blend out any harsh lines and soften the look to your preference. Let's talk about pros and cons. On the positive side, this eyebrow pencil excels at staying put. It's definitely waterproof, and as promised, it doesn't budge or fade. The texture is creamy yet firm, so you're able to get that sharp precision without worrying about it being too soft or too stiff. The packaging is compact and travel-friendly, so you can easily throw it in your bag for on-the-go touch-ups, though honestly, you probably won't need them. The downside, however, might be the color range. While Brunette works well for many people, it might not suit everyone, especially those with lighter or darker brow tones. A broader selection would make this pencil accessible to a wider audience. Additionally, while the pencil is sharp and precise, the formula could be slightly drier compared to some other options, so it may take a little getting used to if you prefer a creamier consistency. In terms of value, Smashbox Brow Tech Matte is a bit on the higher end for eyebrow pencils, but the performance justifies the price. It offers high-quality results, lasting power, and a natural finish that's hard to beat. For those of you who want brows that stay in place through sweat, humidity, or just a long day, this pencil definitely delivers. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are alternatives that may offer similar results at a lower price point, though you might not get the same level of durability. The build quality is great, with the pencil itself feeling solid and not flimsy. It's easy to sharpen and doesn't break easily. The spoolie brush is a simple but thoughtful addition, making it easy to brush through your brows after application. As for longevity, the product has performed well, maintaining its structure and color without issues. Regarding customer service, I've never had to contact Smashbox directly, but the brand is generally known for providing excellent customer support, whether it's for inquiries or returns. So, if you ever face any issues, you can trust that they'll handle it professionally. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely some good options. For those seeking a budget-friendly alternative, there are drugstore brands that offer similar waterproof and smudge-proof formulas. They may not have the exact texture, but they could get you through the day at a more affordable price. So, what's the final verdict? Smashbox Brow Tech Matte Eyebrow Pencil delivers on its promises. It's waterproof, smudge-proof, and perfect for anyone who wants brows that stay sharp all day. The pencil is easy to use, the color is spot on for those with medium brown tones, and the spoolie brush ensures that you can blend and shape to perfection. I highly recommend this for anyone who values longevity and precision in their brow routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.